Hey guys, it's Cooper here with CLS Landscape, and I'm here today with Tom from Oasis Landscaping, and we're on 57th Ave at two custom homes that we just completed. Tom takes care of a lot of our subcontractor upper end homes. So we have two really beautiful homes here, kind of different. They've got a bunch of different design elements in them, but we're going to talk to you today about what we did here and how we've worked together on it. Tom and his team, they've done an amazing job. They've taken care of everything for us. He took this from grade right to the finished product. Tom, talk to us about, how much more work goes into a project like this where there's low maintenance, a lot of prep and hardscape and grading work.
Yeah, a lot of that work that you don't see is everything foundational. So we've got, synthetic grass in the back. We've got all that base work, excavation, crush, compaction. Same thing with the brick planters out front.
He was the man who did all the action. I came up with some of the ideas, but it's a lot of collaboration, and working with Tom and his team, it's a real benefit to us because we can bounce ideas and we get more ideas in the room, and that just creates a better overall product. So now we're here in the backyard on 57th Ave, and we've got a number of elements here. So starting on our side yard here, we've got the 25 mil Rundle Rock. That's just a nice, clean, easy option for tidying up those tight spaces that you don't want to cut and maintain. We've got an awesome cedar fence here. So this is a horizontal cedar fence. It's a 6.5 foot tall fence, and it'll create great privacy, but also that aesthetic that isn't normal in an everyday house. So over here, we've got nature's best turf from Bella Turf. We've got a turf cloud underneath it. So the two unique things to this project are, typically we won't see turf cloud installed. It's more for impact resistance. So we've got turf cloud underneath, which you cannot see. And then this is Bella Turf's most real artificial turf. Tell us about the project. Tell us, give us what the customer is getting out of this yard, and also what were the challenges we faced here?
Yeah, biggest thing is, like you said, maintenance free. We got composite decking. We've got hard surface concrete. We've got Rundle stone in the bed, so that's great for dogs and kids. Mulch isn't getting kicked all over. We've got a nice solid stone. Brick product around the planter and the artificial turf. So everything looks clean, perfect all the time.
Awesome job, your team killed it. It looks amazing. I think it's got longevity for the family. They're not gonna have to change anything. It's just gonna mature and age so well. But yeah, your team knocked it out of the park. Looks great.